Good afternoon, 10th class children. For the last 1 week, I could not meet you over video class. So I already told you that I was a little bit busy. So today I would like, I'm meeting you with the English class. I'm glad to meet you. And today I would like to introduce about another Murthy, another man called Murthy, who suffered in the life like anything, but he became a pioneer. I wrote here pioneer. Pioneer means leader. Sachin is the pioneer of cricket, like that. So leader. So before I tell you about Murthy, the founder of the Infosys company in Hyderabad now, I would like to introduce certain hard words here that you come across in the textbook. I'll read the story. Well, one is called thrill. Thrill means, now say for example, from this sentence you can understand the meaning. Cricket thrills the audience. Cricket thrills the audience. Thrills means make happy. Thrills means make happy. Cricket make the audience happy. Thrills means make happy. Probably it rains. That means maybe. Clouds are there. So looking at the clouds, I can say probably it may rain. So probably means maybe, or it may rains. Probably it rains means may it rains, or it may rain. Pioneer. Sachin is the pioneer of the cricket. Means, ordinary word you can say, pioneer means a great leader. So Sachin was called as a leader of the cricket, or leader in the cricket field. So pioneer means leader. Grasp. Telugu people can't grasp the Urdu because they do not have practice in Urdu. They do not know the Urdu language. Urdu letters they do not know. Therefore, if anyone speak in Urdu, they won't grasp. They won't grasp, or they can't grasp. Grasp means understand. Telugu people can't grasp, can't understand the Urdu. Grasp, understand. Aspirants. We are the aspirants of IIT. Nowadays, many students are the aspirants of IIT. Aspirants of IIT. Soon after the SSC, you also may become the aspirant. It means very interested people, or very interested of. So we are aspirants of IIT means we are the very much interested people in of IIT, doing IIT, because people think naturally or commonly nowadays people are thinking people who do the IIT, they get high salary, high position, high value in the society. Therefore, many are willing to do the IIT. So the people who are willing to do the IIT are called aspirants of IIT. Means interested people in doing IIT. Aspirants, interested. Introvert. Introvert word means I could not make sentence here. Reserved man. Reserved man. Reserved man means again one who do not mix up with the people easily. They don't like to mix with the people. They want to be separate in a corner. They do not talk to others. They do not like to talk others. They do not like to meet others. They did not mix up in any way in a game or something. They always try to remain idle or away from the people. That such people are called introvert. So Murthy was introvert. Murthy was aspirant. Murthy can grasp. Murthy is the leader. So Murthy life was thrilled. So to now after this I would like to tell you the life history of the Murthy. We are knowing about the Narayana Murthy, N. Murthy Narayana Murthy, founder of the Infosys company. According to his wife narration, his family background of the Murthy is, Murthy claims from the middle class. His father was a teacher. Mother was householder. So he claims from middle class only. Then that means he is not a rich man to do higher education. His schoolhood. Second point, schoolhood. In the schoolhood or during his studies, Murthy was faster than any other student. His senior students used to come to the Murthy for their doubts in mathematics and physical sciences. The teachers called him as a spark of the light or spark of the sun. That means such a fast boy in the schoolhood the Murthy was. So all his senior students used to take the help of the Murthy for the mathematics problem. Now third is his desire. Murthy's desire in the life. He wanted to do the IIT and became a software engineer. His desire was to do the IIT and became a software engineer. So he wrote the entrance test, passed the entrance test. With the results, he approached the father and asked him that I would like to do the IIT in the Madras University. But father's helplessness. His father was not in a position to meet the expenses because he had 3 daughters to get married. Therefore, the money that he had was enough to get for the expenses for the marriage of the Murthy's sisters. So he said, I cannot admit you in the Madras University. So now fourth point is friends. All the Murthy's friends and classmates, with the support of their fathers or parents, they joined the Madras. But Murthy joined in the Mysore University, that is local university. There he took the computer science and successfully he came out as a computer engineer. Next he became computer science teacher. After a certain period, he could establish a great company called Infosys company in Hyderabad, high-tech city at present. It is one of the great company, renowned company, means great company in India and not sometimes in the world also. It attracted world-class students. So, thus Murthy could do a great thing studying in the local university, whereas his friends studied in a Madras or university, the famous university, but they could do nothing. So, in the end, on the interview by Sudha, he says, what qualities required to become such a great people? He says, to achieve the great goal, it does not require a great university. It does not require a lot of money, but honest effort, sincere effort, and hard work. Beside this, burning desire. Honest and sincere effort, hard work, and burning desire are the qualities to achieve the goal in the life. But he proved it is not the university. It requires these qualities. So, in students, in your life also, from this Murthy's life history, we learn university or the school is not the need a place to become a great man. It requires honest effort, sincere effort, hard work, and burning desire. So, if you want to become a great people like Murthy or Abraham Lincoln or some other great people, you require honesty in the in your behavior, sincere effort, and hard work. So, develop these habits and then become great people like Murthy. Okay, thank you.